Hi, my name is Boris, and in this video I'm about to show you how to make your techno drops a little bit more interesting by adding a few unexpected bars before the drop. Let's listen to the track. At first I will remove these bars and then we'll go back to hear the difference that it makes. And now let's go back to our unexpected bars. Before we get into the details of how to do this, if you like what we are doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more Ableton Live tips like this one. And the dark progressive techno project we are working on is called Awake, and it's available in the link in the description. Okay, so first of all, a couple of very useful shortcuts. If you want to cut some time from your project, all you need to do is just click Shift, Command and X. On Windows, it is probably Shift, Control and X. And let's go back. If you want to add some time, for example, let's say we want to add this amount of time to this project, you can click Command and I, and this basically adds this amount of space before it. So in this case, we have added 2 additional bars before the drop, and there's this really cool synth playing that kind of surprises the audience and delays the drop by just a few seconds.
Just a quick break before we go back to the tutorial. If you find these type of videos helpful, we can highly recommend the PML Academy with over 35 full-length online courses, spreading over topics like writing chords and melodies or arranging your songs to producing entire songs from start to finish. So check out the link in the description to see what's inside the all courses bundle exactly.
And this could also work without it. But it's a little bit more interesting when you add this kind of beating, clashing, detuned synth that is really futuristic. So here's what makes this sound unique. First of all, we are using operator here. We are using these beating wavetables, which are really interesting. Let's listen to what these sound like. Maybe without the effects. And we are using pulse width modulation here. Same thing on the other one. But the track is in a minor key and we are playing a major interval. So 4 steps is a major third. So we are moving into the major zone over here. And this is really unexpected in a track which already has been playing in a minor key for almost 4 minutes. But that's not all that is happening. We have this really cool effects chain with some compression and reverb, but then this echo makes a very big difference. We are using this ducking option over here. So let's listen without it and with the ducking. So this kind of acts like a delayed reverb now, and it's really cool. Another thing that is happening over here is that we are using the half-whole diminished scale, and this is something quite exotic to the ear. We have been using the F-sharp minor scale throughout the whole track, and we are switching to the half-whole diminished scale over here, which basically consists of half step, whole step, half step, whole step, all the way up. And we are basically playing one note after another. And that would be it as for the elements that make this synth interesting. Make sure to experiment and add a few additional surprising bars before your drops. Thank you guys very much for watching this tutorial. Consider checking out our Music Production Academy. We've got courses for both beginners and more advanced producers. If you like this video, hit the like button and leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys once again, and I will see you in the next videos.